everybody, it's Liliana Rowena, and today we're going to be talking about December style tips. So I got this inspiration from a blog that I loved when I first joined Lolita Fashion, Parfait Doll, and she used to pretty regularly post both lifestyle and style tips depending on the month. And I thought it would be fun to share some of my ideas. There's been a lot of technical difficulties today. This is the third time I filmed this, so I have a little outline on my phone that I will be referring to throughout this video. So the first tip that I have is to buy Christmas lights. They are ridiculously inexpensive at the hardware store. My hardware store carries them. It's like starting at like $2 per strand. On average, they're around $5. They're really cute. You can put them everywhere in your house if you're like me, and they're much cheaper than fairy lights. And I just really enjoyed them. I had no idea how cheap Christmas lights were until this year. The other thing you can do is bake festive goods, which I've already done on this channel, making my peppermint mocha cake shenanigans. You could do things like something with an eggnog flavor or crushed candy cane or whatever kind of thing that you enjoy as far as the seasonal flavor goes. You can incorporate pearls and crystals into your Lolita cords. For me, those elements always make me think of ice and snow, and they just generally go well with all different types of Lolita, and I just think they're fun and cute. You gotta add to like the elegance of the season. Another thing you can do is make digital or physical holiday cards for your friends and family to kind of reach out to them, get in the spirit of the season, and just have a good time. The other thing, which I wish I had for this cord, is white lace tights. White lace also makes me think of the holidays and winter, and it's just a really fun idea to me. I love white lace. I actually used to have a pair of white lace tights, but they were way too small, so they got ripped pretty immediately, sadly. The other thing you can do is buy seasonal accessories from like your local stores. For example, I was in the pharmacy and found a set of red bows with a white snowflake in the middle that were just perfect for one of the Lolita cords I had planned. And you can find lots of unexpected stuff that you can get immediately and for a pretty inexpensive price that you might be able to use. This might not work for everyone depending on what their style is, because my Lolita style I think overall can be summed up as what a 5-year-old thinks a princess would look like. So if you're somebody who has maybe a bit more of a refined style, that might be harder to pull off, but for those of us who enjoy kinds of cutesy things that might be a little bit on the edge of I highly recommend looking around, and hey, you might even surprise yourself. So check out the little like holiday section. I also found these cute little peppermint barrettes. The other thing you can do is get faux flowers from the dollar store or whatever equivalent store you have nearby. I have some fake poinsettias on my kitchen table that I really enjoy, and my local dollar store always has just a ton of seasonal flowers for some reason, and it was enjoyable. I've got a white, gold, and red poinsettia. You can try adding peppermint extract to your coffee or tea. I have been making myself peppermint mochas because I've recently started bringing my laundry to the laundromat to get it done because I struggled to take care of my clothes, and the laundromat does a really good job, so I recommend doing that and adding a little bit of peppermint extract to see how it goes. And I've been trying to avoid going to Dunkin' so often. Another thing you can do is get fake snow for winter photo shoots. I've been really enjoying this. I think it's really cute. It was $5 for a bag. It's now just kind of part of my social media set, and I've just been really enjoying it. It's really fun to play with. And finally, call loved ones you haven't heard from in a while. It's been a rough year for most people, so reach out to people that you might not have heard from in a little bit, and just let them know that you care and connect with each other, because that's what the holiday season is about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena,